Hello friends, welcome. So we'll continue our session. So this is a new week. We'll continue focus on our TTK bootstrap what you have continued in the previous week, and that will continue further, and this drag drop all the stuff also we'll try to learn. So before we start again, my request is please tell your friends also to join, requesting all of you to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will be notified always whenever you add tutorials. These last 2 days we are not added anything, being a weekend, so not added any new tutorials, but we are planning to add drag and drop. We'll definitely going to add on that. So on different types of drag and drop, say dragging a label, dragging a label between 2-3 frames. So sorry, so how that will work. Then from a list box also you can see entire thing in the blog link, whatever you have provided there you can see that. But actually today we want that will continue our TTK bootstrap, and in that will the widgets what you have continued will further work on that. So the important one, the table view, last time we have discussed. Now let me just prepare for a one more thing. This is the picking of a date from a calendar. So date entry, that wizard will work on that. Let me just show you little bit on that. I am just preparing some other code I was in between. Now let me just come. Some issue with my OBS. Okay, fine, now it is back. So in the table view is quite important, so it's a very important widget we will be using it. So I request you to give more stress on that, because any application you develop you will have a tabular data to display. So this gives a lot of power, means you need not have to write many code, just you can paging, export, import, sorting, everything can be done in one, just setting the properties. So that's the advantage of table view. Anyway, we'll continue the further in, we'll back again. If you want some more things, filtering, searching, all this functionality to add, you can add that also, but you need anywhere you want any modification or thing, you put the enter the questions here. We'll discuss more about that. I just want to move to a one more widget where it is a date entry, which is quite important. So here is the code. I am in the Visual Studio Code. You are you are also able to see this. Let's run this and see. See, before that, here you see the TTK bootstrap, TTK date and time, import date, because we want to pick up the current date. So matching date for that. Now you let me just take it to 24. Okay, this is a old code. Fine. Now let me run this once. Fine. You can see this is the window where I am just selecting a date, December 24. Why it is going 24? Because in this here I have given a date, a default date I have set it 24. I will show you that now. Suppose I click selected the 7th, so it is the 7th. Now I want to carry this date for my further processing, so I can click the date, so it will come up over here. Now let me just close this. Now you can see here the my date entry, TTK date entry, it is there. A lot of attributes are there. You can change it. First weekday 0, 1, 2, like the calendar should start with a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. You can, for that the weekdays are there. I can start date. What should be the default date? If I don't give this date, then it will pick up the current date. But here I am giving DT2. That's why I have got this date library, and I have 2024 December 30th I have picked up. So that is the default date. It will be selected. Let's just see that once more. Here it is. So now once I am clicking, you see December 24 30th is by default it is selected. Because many of the time we need a default application to be shown, a default date to be shown. That is the reason. On that, fine, you can remove it. It will pick up the current date. Now also important aspect is date format. What format we are receiving the dates? So here you see year, month, D. Year, month, date. Why I am giving this is, most of the time in your database this will be the format what you will be inputting the date. In the programming language you will see this will be frequently using. Or if you don't want that, any other format, there is a big list of date format available in the blog post. I will show you that. And here also let me just, you can just see this the month in the 01, 02, 03 like that. So if I will pick up next month, it will, now default is December. I will just change it to next month, Jan, 18th. Now you can see Jan. Say I want complete full January, it should say. So then I have to use uppercase B. This list of different formats are available. This is not a part of the Kinter actually. This is a part of the date function, basic Python date function. So that's why it's across all other for date applications, whatever you are using can be used. See this, now it is December. Now I will switch to go to January, it will tell January. Find so date, you see January 18th. Now this is the way you can change it, this date. Other format also you can use it. The list I will show you. First weekday I told you. Now you see this calendar, what is the weekday, first day of the week? It is Wednesday. Here it is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and again it starts from Wednesday. Let me start it from Sunday. Sorry, I have to close this. Let me start. So first weekday I will put it 0. Let's say what will happen now. Here you can see now Monday is my weekday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'll put 6 here, let's see, Sunday should come up. I'm putting 6 here. Sunday is the first day of the, here the left side you can see this column is Sunday. So this is how, there are few more attributes are also there. These are the main attributes what you will be using it. Now you can say how this date function work, how I am capturing the date what the user has selected. What's this particular, whenever I am clicking the button I am calling the function my update. My update is here, my update. So this function, when I clicked it, inside that, this is the date entry, this is the date entry object or date entry widget. Now a DateEntry get, this reads the date. Okay, that's I am configuring in a label. So that's because it's a configure, it's a text attribute of the label. I am configuring it as date entry. So that is how I am displaying it. Now you may ask me that, okay, fine, you are clicking a button and then the data is flowing to the label. Can I get it without clicking a button? Say I have selected it, say I have 10th I have selected. Now I am click this button, then this date is, it has come out. Say moment I select the date also should come out. That is also next step, because there you have to override the default date entry function and do it. That's a little long code. Hopefully next tomorrow we'll discuss that, and you can, anyway you will get the code. I'll show you the code also. Let me just close this. Come back, see if any questions or anything is there. Fine, no question, nothing. Please hit the like button also, and join, ask your friends also to join, so we can have a useful discussion on Python, this Kinter, then PHP, MySQL. We'll slowly start HTML also. This weekend I was studying about some HTML tags. So if you are interested, we will start that also. Okay friends, so this is the one. Let me just, I will take you now to the how to download the source code and all. So here it is. This URL is there in the description. You can watch this and read these parameters or attributes here. Then this is the basic one. That what now right now we are discussed, this one, the source code, you can copy it here. Reading and displaying selected date on label without button click. So just select it, moment you select it, it will come up. So this part is explained here. There is a you have to override the original date entry. So this is the one. Then because it's a boot style, I can change the boot style. This is not only for the date entry widget, any widget in ttkboostrap. Here you just see boot style is my style. This style one by one you can take it, what all the different styles, whatever is available. So what are the boot styles? By the way, it is around I think 8: info, success, then dark, light, danger, warning, all these are there. So around 8 I remember. You can see the list also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, here all the 8s are there. So here actually inside the loop we are taking it one by one style values, and that we are assigning it as boot style is my style. So inside the for loop list of styles. So here you can see the code and accordingly do it. There are some other configuration also, state you can do, disable, enable you can. It is like any other widget. It's not that date entry only will have this. So you can use it for any other widget. So let me just come back here. and let's see how the that's all friends. So hope you can please tell your friends also to join, and daily 7:30 we are coming online and discussing all this Python Kinter issues and all. So you can ask questions here, we will answer it and continue learning through us, and or read our tutorials. You have any doubt, suggestion, idea, questions, put it in the comment section below. And nothing more today. So if you don't have any questions and all, tomorrow request you all to join at 7:30 Indian Standard Time in the evening hours, so we can have a useful discussion. Thank you friends, thank you for joining. Please join tomorrow also. Thank you.